Taimur Beg, also known as Talha Anjum 2.0, a young musician, rapper from Karachi, Pakistan, famous for his deep writing, raps, and the way he delivers. Taimur Beg has been dropping bangers since very long, and he has like a very unique touch in his flow and delivery. La Jawab, his evergreen song from where Taimur Beg got famous, got around 2 million views on YouTube and Spotify combined, and after that the graph of Taimur went up, and in 2022 he dropped his first solo album with Rafe Anwar called Azal. That album had multiple great features with Savage, Jaffer, and he dropped the second version of La Jawab with Rafe Anwar, and that song has got 16 million streams on Spotify and around 2.4 million views on YouTube. It was quite new for like a younger new artist, because according to that time only youngsters dominated the whole rap industry, but seeing Taimur Beg was a bit different, and it was a stepping stone for the industry as well. After that, Taimur Beg got into a major controversy with Umar Anjum, who is a younger brother of Talha Anjum. The beef was going very even until Taimur Beg dropped Consignment with Rafe Anwar. Even one of Umar Anjum's diss track was produced by Talha Anjum as well. During the same time, Taimur Beg also got into a controversy with Wahab Khan, nowhere to be seen after that, in the rap game obviously. One thing I've noticed about the Pakistani hip-hop community is no one backed Taimur Beg when he was growing, when he was coming up. Youngsters, they throughout supported Jani, Savage, Umar Anjum, Share, Zas, but Taimur Beg did everything on his own. He was all alone with his producer Rafe Anwar. And if we talk about the OR band, when they were growing up, Taimur Beg pushed the band a lot, as he used to give them features, a lot of features, which helped the band to grow to a larger scale. And now their song Tu Hai Kahan went absolutely crazy in the whole South Asia, just sitting at around 360 plus million streams on Spotify and around 100 plus million views on YouTube. Later his producer went on to his own way, and now he's doing music with OR only. It's been quite